Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the problem. Open storage settings and see how much of C is used and which categories dominate. This tells you the strategy. Make a system restore point and quickly back up irreplaceable files to an external drive or cloud so you can delete boldly. Sign in with an admin account, close background apps, and disable non-essential startup items. Once done, you're safe to run disk cleanup tools and built-in utilities without risking data loss. Now you execute the core actions. Run disk cleanup, select cleanup system files, and remove Windows Update and previous installation files to recover large blocks. Uninstall apps you no longer use and move bulky folders, downloads, videos, large games, to another partition or external drive. This frees persistent space. Use Storage Sense with sensible rules or a reputable cleaner to delete temp files, browser caches, and duplicates. Make sure to review items before delete so you don't remove something important. Finish by optimizing system settings. If you don't need hibernation, turn it off to reclaim the Hyber file. If you have lots of RAM, cautiously reduce the page file size, but keep a safety margin. Run optimized drives for HDDs or verify trim for SSDs, then reboot and confirm free space. If C is still constrained, consider resizing partitions or migrating Windows to a larger drive. Troubleshooting tip: if deleted space doesn't appear, check volume shadow copies and shadow storage limits, then purge or adjust them carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.